In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add strike-through formatting in Confluence. If you're maintaining documentation or updating project notes, sometimes you need to show that something has been removed, completed, or is no longer relevant without deleting it outright. That's exactly what strike-through is for. It lets readers see the original text while clearly understanding it should be ignored going forward. Let's walk through how to do this cleanly and confidently. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to edit. Make sure you're on the correct page where the outdated or completed content lives. This helps you avoid formatting the wrong section and keeps your documentation consistent. Next, click Edit. You'll usually find the Edit button near the top of the page. When the page switches into editing mode, you should see the formatting toolbar appear above your content. If you don't see the toolbar, double check that you're actually in edit mode and not just viewing the page. Now highlight the text you want to cross out. Click and drag your cursor over the exact words or sentences you want to mark as no longer current. Precision matters here. Only select the portion that needs to be visually crossed out so the page remains easy to scan and understand. With the text selected, click the strike-through formatting option in the toolbar. The icon typically looks like an S with a line through it. One click applies the style to your selection immediately. If the toolbar is collapsed, you may need to expand the formatting options to see, but it will be there among the standard text styles. Check that the selected text now has a line running through it. This visual confirms the formatting took effect. If you accidentally applied it too broadly, simply reselect the text and click the strike-through button again to remove the style, then reapply it to the correct portion. Use strike-through for removed, completed, or outdated text. It's a great way to preserve context without confusing your readers. For example, when updating a process, cross out a deprecated step and add the new guidance nearby. This makes change history obvious and builds trust in your documentation. As a best practice, keep strike-throughs concise and avoid overusing them so the page stays readable. When you're satisfied with the changes, publish the page to save the formatting. Publishing makes your updates visible to your team. If you forget this step, the strike-through won't appear to others, and that's it. Simple, clear, and effective strike-through formatting in Confluence.